It's beginning to smell a lot like Duncan. And he smells real good. It's day 16, I believe, of the Lego Advent Calendar. So, as I said in the intro song, it is day 16, and we're gonna get started here. So let me find day 16. It's down here by the Olaf. Whoop. Spoiler alert. There's a bell. I'm trying to do this without destroying the box still. It is an ice cream stand. Ooh, and I guess Duncan doesn't want to be in the video anymore. So, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So, as you might be able to tell, depending on how this goes, there might be an extra camera right here. Ooh, it might look like poop, and we might not use it. So, you might just see this camera, looking at this camera, looking at this camera. Camera 1, camera 2, camera 1, camera 2. We'll see if we can time that. Okay, so I got all the pieces. Now I just have to figure out how they go together. Otherwise known as how does Lego work? Okay, so we take this little piece here. Let's see if that's probably a better view of it. It's like the rounded 2-peg. And we connect it to this guy. Ooh, like that. Let's see, this then connects to, oh, we're destroying everything. What is that? Oh, that is that. Okay, so these connect this way. From the looks of it. Helps if I put the peg in the peg spot. And this goes on like that. That's what it looks like, at least. Yep. And then there's a clear tile that goes underneath. So, looks something like that. Ooh. Okay. Then we put this little splash guard piece on the side here, like so. Ooh, 3D. And then we take these and we make little, either this is a bakery cart or a ice cream cart. It's kind of hard to tell. We've got these little swirly bits. Val says that they're cupcakes. I thought they were ice cream. You could probably use them with the ice cream cones to make like a more convincing, like a soft serve swirl. Rather than scooped ice cream. Then we take these little telescopes. Probably way too close there. Telescope. Only got 2 of these. They make little stands for the back. Put the little cones on here. These are all a really nice kind of shimmery gold. We've got your gold! Okay, I put the thing on like that. This goes across like that, so we did that, as you can see. Then we go and do stripes, because stripes. If you haven't seen the movie Stripes with Bill Murray, Harold Ramis, and John Candy, go check it out. It's a really good movie. I think it's Harold Ramis's best movie. Okay, I think that is it. We got a bunch of extra little bits here. And we'll make a cupcake for a Lego person. There, Leslie Knope is eating a cupcake, which I think is something that she does in the show. I know she's like obsessed with waffles. That's like the recurring thing. Breakfast food is best food. That's how she like bonds with Ron Swanson. And got a little ice cream cart. Woo, exciting. Or muffin cart. Some sort of confection cart. Val's pointing out that the little brown swirl. Oh, the extra brown swirl just looks like a turd. So you can put it near the dog. That's why he was over by the Christmas tree. We finally know the reason why he was by the Christmas tree. He was leaving a present. Okay. So yeah, we'll put this over here. Kid is back here. Kid is back again. All right, so that about covers it for day 16. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think of the double camera thing, if we got that working. If not, don't worry about it. You're not crazy. We just didn't get it working properly. And yeah, let us know down below your thoughts. If you're excited for Christmas, I know I am. Not excited about the traveling, but excited about seeing family and friends. So it should be really nice. And yeah, please like if you've liked the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And ring that bell, yo. Clip the audio with the bell. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day and Merry Christmas.